working president ke UDP badai ru MA ke West Shillong ba polang do ong ba committee ba unsya penhap Shuki hakan ke soka MD itu khamtam harin ba president ke UDP ba met ba lang do ulapan pau segilat partai ko bor ba kamdon kano ke jing temu ban Bujli Shuki kata Sngi Shwa ban jepat ke jing Bujli Shuki menteri habakran mentaka Sngi ke alpro tarik unaweng ajal pesan ba pol ong ba kamdon Eiei ke ban yadai kam simet jeng ban sngiusi halo ke jing penhap Shuki hanrei kadai banon ke etik ne kanong rim bat kumno ki bat ya kanong rim haka politik namar ba sau Sngi Shwa ban penhap Shuki ka UDP ka rakhe Sngi seng haka ba presiden wa kran syai ba kamdon Eiei haka parti UDP ban ya Bujli menteri ba pol ong ba CC UDP bai kendu sibna Shwa ban jia ke jing Bujli menteri kidon kidkhot ki bara ya kane bahkan don ke jing Bujli menteri haka UDP badu presiden ke UDP uba penia ya jingrang waong bakam don ke jing Bujli menteri bad waong bakan bahaban keli nagi menteri.
I don't think it has anything personal, nothing to do with my being personally disappointed. It is a matter of ethics and how one practice ethics in politics, because just 4 days before the cabinet reshuffle, we had the celebration of the foundation day of the UDP, and it was entirely carried out by the Shillong district of the UDP. The program, the funding, everything was done by the Shillong city district. And also the president of the party had gone on record speaking to the media and saying that we have no plan of such a reshuffle where the UDP is concerned. Also, the CEC of the UDP, which had met a month before this chain of events occurred, a few members had raised the issue of whether there'll be a reshuffle of ministers belonging to the UDP, since there is an imminent cabinet reshuffle happening. And it was the president of the United Democratic Party chairing the CEC who said, we have no such intention, ask these two ministers. Those were his words. So that's all I can share with you. Do you think as I said, it has anything to do with me as a person? But I've clearly stated the position. It is not a position that I took. It was the president of the party who kept saying we have no plan for such a reshuffle, and it was the president of the party who chaired the CEC, and it was the CEC that was informed that there is no plan of such a reshuffle. Then the rest you can just add 2 and 2.